Asset integrity means knowing your structure inside out, detecting corrosion early, preventing deterioration, and maintaining peak performance before issues compromise safety or operations. But with traditional inspections, that knowledge generally comes risky, fragmented, and expensive. Augmented Surveyor 3D changes everything. Created by Bureau Veritas, it's a complete asset integrity management system for the new age. Drone inspections, AI analysis, and 3D modeling combined with unparalleled class expertise. From human risk to safety, from fragmented data to total reliability. AGS 3D gives you insights that help optimize repair planning, extend asset life, and keep performance steady across the fleet. A unique asset integrity management system for today's market, backed by decades of marine expertise. Safer inspections, superior data, smarter asset management. AGS 3D by Bureau Veritas.